Hello YouTube, Simply CC here and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell from our thumbnail, I am bringing you another try-on haul. I'm very excited about this try-on haul because not only is it a try-on haul, it's also from Missguided, which I've never ordered anything from Missguided before, so I'm really excited to show you all the pieces that I picked up and see how everything fits. Also, it's going to be a styling try-on haul, so I'm not just putting the pieces on, I'm actually putting them in outfits for you, so I'm really excited. So if you're interested in that, please keep on watching. And before we jump right into this try-on haul, I want to say hello. If you are new to my channel, hi, I am Cece, and here on my channel I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty. And if you're interested in any of those titles, please be sure to subscribe to your girl's channel and hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of my uploads. Today I am looking a little different because my hair is covered up. I am wearing a wig today, you guys. I am also on a sister life journey, so if you're interested in that as well, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And without further ado, let's jump right into this try-on haul. Okay, so the first item that I got from Missguided is this jumper here, this black one, and it's really just a crop sweater. I like it. The length is really good for me. It is tall girl friendly. I'll come closer. It's just typical sweater material, not too thick, it's not too heavy, but definitely good enough for winter and fall that we're in right now. And I paired it with some mom jeans, some high-waisted paper bag mom jeans that I got from Forever 21, and just a pair of black booties that I got from Charlotte Russe or something, I'm not sure. Yeah, so I really like this piece. I think it is so cute. I love how cropped it is. I love crop tops, but as we go into the colder months ahead, in Missouri, it's really cold. It's starting to get really cold. I am excited for this type of crop because it's a bit longer, so it still covers, you know, most of your midriff, especially if you're tying it in with high-waisted bottoms, which I do. Like literally 85% of my jeans are high-waisted, so this is great. It's tall girl friendly. Like I said, I even flipped the sleeve over here so you could check out my arm jewelry. So yes, this is the jumper. I'll show you guys the back of it. Just simple, but really, really nice. The next item I'm going to share with you guys is this bag right here, and I'll come closer so you can see it. It's just probably I believe it's like faux Chanel kind of, but again, I been into getting little bags because I need things to accessorize my outfits with. I thought this one was nice. I have something similar that I ordered from Shein not too long ago, and if you haven't checked out that haul, I'll be sure to link it somewhere on the screen so you guys can check out that try-on haul. But I love the shape of this one. I like that it's like a square, and I think it'll be cute with this outfit. I just think it's a good simple look, you know. Doesn't look like you're doing too much, but it's still cute and appropriate, so I could go, you know, almost anywhere with this. And the heels, it's not too much, but makes it, you know, really, really cute. It just pulls it all together. So yeah, those are the first items from Missguided. On to the next. Okay, this is the next item from Missguided. It is the same as the first. It's just in this nude color. Again, same thing. I just wanted to show you how I style it a little differently. Love it. Love the croppedness of it. The length of it. It's comfortable. It's warm enough, but not too hot. And I wanted to actually be able to try, you know, the same jumper on with a different pair of bottoms. And so I decided on these gray skinny jeans that I got from Fashion Nova at some point. And I just thought it was cute, and I just paired it with some boots that I got from Charlotte Russe as well a while ago before they closed. And just this Betsy Johnson bag. I just thought it was a look. I thought it came together really cute. Again, I love it. I like the color. I picked the gray pants because I really like the contrast. I think it's a little unexpected. I've never pieced together gray and like cream or tan, and I really, really like it in black. I think it just works and plays off of each other. So this is the jumper. Now this is the next item I got was this scarf. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. And the quality is really, really nice. It's quite thick, and like I said, in Missouri it gets cold, so I just wanted to just throw that on real quick. I like it because it's cream, but it's also with the gray, as you can see. And of course I thought it'd be cute, it'd go with the gray pants. But of course, you know, I would wear this with my coat, probably a long coat. You can get away with like a jacket. But yeah, I just thought the scarf was cute, and I love the detailing of the little tassels on the end. So yeah, the scarf and this jumper from Missguided. The next piece I got from Missguided is this padded sleeve, like crop top. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was going to be a bit different material. It is really just like a thin t-shirt with low-key just padding right underneath. I still like the look of it, but I wanted it to be a bit fancier, I guess, if that's the word. But keeping it simple because it's not as fancy as I thought. I just paired it with a pair of black jeans, all black jeans, as you can see, and some booties that I once again got from, I'm pretty sure these are from Charlotte Russe as well. And I figured, keeping it simple, I just pair with this little clutch. I don't really know where I got it from, but I'll link it if I can find it. But yeah, I like it. I think I can do a lot of fun stuff with this top. It's just, again, the material was a surprise. I really thought it was going to be a bit more fancier material. I don't know, maybe more polyester than feeling cotton, but I still like it, and I'm gonna wear it with a lot of things. And like, even with the all black, I think it's cute in the booties. It makes me feel like I'm awakening my inner punk rock. I have this like red leather jacket with silver details. Like, I feel like something like this over it, like, it's just cute. The next piece that I got from Missguided is this cute ruffle like dress. Here's the sleeves on it, and oh, I love it. I love the layered. It has a lining underneath here, so you know you're covered. So I like that. And I just paired it with some over the knee socks here. If I could get them up. And these over the knee boots that I got from Forever 21. But I absolutely love this dress. Like, let me move my little, yeah, get that behind me. Oh, that is cute. And I thought I paired with this cute little faux croc bag. I got this from Shein. Again, I will link that. I'll put a tab on the screen, and I'll also link it down in the description if you want to check out that try on haul. And everything that I got from Missguided is in a small or a US 4, I believe. But everything in this haul will be linked in the description down below. So be sure to check that out, you guys. And make sure to comment and let me know what you think. But I absolutely love this dress. Absolutely love it. I don't know where I'm going. I look like a, I don't know, a good witch. But anyway, last and final item that I got from Missguided is this cute, I don't even know what to call this dress. I love it. I like the loose fit of it. I like the like high-low style. And it has pockets, which I always think is so cute. I just really, really like this dress. I think it's super chill, but I think, you know, you could dress it up or dress it down. As you can see, I styled it with the same over-the-knee socks that I had on with the last dress, but with my white, like, I guess, combat boots with little studs. I got these boots from Go Jane, I believe, last year. And I got the socks from Forever 21. And I think this is a way you can kind of dress it down, make it look more casual. But I love the style of this dress. Love it, love it. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this Missguided try-on haul. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to use the comment section below. You guys, let me know what pieces you enjoyed, what you didn't like, how you would style things differently, if you love the way I style things, whatever it is. Or if you just want to comment, say hello, let me know that you are here. All of it is greatly appreciated. Your comments, your likes truly help. They help YouTube push our videos. So I literally cannot do this without you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for all the support I've been seeing so far. My subscribers are going up, and I thank you guys. It's all because of you. I really truly appreciate you guys. I look forward to putting out more great content for you guys, and I also look forward to more of you joining me. So girl, if you've been back or if you hear this far, go ahead and subscribe, because honey, you're really enjoying yourself, and I hope that you continue to enjoy yourself. So be sure to subscribe, be sure to hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of my uploads, and like this video for real. I really need you guys to. All of the outfits, everything that we wore today and I tried on will be linked in the description down below, so be sure to check out the description if you're interested in any of the pieces that you've seen today. I will also link my last try on haul as well, as it should probably be on the screen somewhere throughout this video. So check that out if you're interested in any of the other content. Get on the page and just enjoy everything you see, you guys. I thank you guys so much for watching my videos, coming back to my channel. I truly appreciate you all. And as always, I want to tell you guys to stay blessed, stay motivated, and stay close to God. And I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.